A fashion blogger has brought do-it-yourself to a whole new level after crafting a prom dress out of trash bags. Amber Shaw, 24, accepted the challenge after multiple fans of her previous dress creations said Amber could wear a trash bag and still look bomb. Inspired by the compliment, Scholl decided to use her skills to fashion black and white trash bags into a gown, and the final result was a work of art. Read more. Fashion blogger spends a week wearing clothing she got from eBay. The YouTuber's video has since gone viral, receiving over 1 million views, after she tweeted, "When someone calls you trashy, make a dress out of trash bags and prove them fabulously correct," and linked to the video. In the video tutorial, Scholl explains how viewers can make their own trash bag fashion gowns, detailing every step from buying the bags at Target to curling pieces of the bags into tiny knotted roses. Pairing a trash bag-topped corset with a sheer skirt featuring trash roses, the blogger was able to transform the materials into a prom-worthy gown, and it only took about 7 hours. Showing off the final product, which she paired with Saint Laurent heels, Scholl says, "I literally shook my own self on this one." Scholl created roses out of the garbage bags. YouTube. In total, the blogger used duct tape, a black bodysuit from Macy's, trash bags, a sheer skirt, scissors, scotch tape, and super glue, but the result looks like it would cost a lot more. The YouTuber used a black bodysuit as the base for the dress. YouTube. Scholl's video has been viewed over 1 million times. YouTube, and her fans agree. "This is why females are the future," wrote one person. Another commented, "I wouldn't have been able to tell she used an actual garbage bag if she hadn't posted about it." The trash bag dress was a huge hit. YouTube. The garbage bag dress was such a success that it caught the eye of Glad Products, who tweeted to the blogger, "Blown away by your creativity with this masterpiece. #Dyween How about a raincoat or swimsuit? If you're up for the challenge, we've got the trash bags. Blown away by your creativity with this masterpiece. #Dyween 100 Crown, how about a raincoat or swimsuit? If you're up for the challenge, we've got the trash bags." Glad, at Glad Products. April 24, 2018. Scholl previously blew people away with her remake of a $4 thrift store dress, which she turned into a feathered masterpiece. Fashion Revolution in Pictures Plus. Show all Fashion Revolution in Pictures 1/12, 2/12, 3/12, 4/12, 5/12, 6/12, 7/12, 8/12, 9/12, 10/12, 11/12, 12/12. You don't need to break the bank to look fab, the YouTuber told viewers, and she's proven